Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make hairy or fuzzy stuff in Adobe Illustrator. I think I might have done a tutorial already on this, but this is an updated version of it, so it's pretty easy. You start off by grabbing your ellipse tool and making a circle. You're going to fill it in with a gradient. You can choose your colors of your gradient over here. I'll go with red or just maybe purple and blue. Right. Hold down Alt or Option key, click and drag to create a duplicate of your circle. Select both circles, go to Object, Blend, Blend Options, select Specified Steps, and we're gonna go with about 300. Now go back to Object, Blend, Make. You should get a blend between your two circles. Place it on the side. Now you can create the path you want your blend to have. So if you want to have a letter, or you can basically use the pen tool, you can use the brush tool. I'm gonna use the brush tool and we're gonna make a sort of like a wavy thing. Anyways, select your path and your blend, go to Object, Blend, Replace Spine. And you get this cool worm effect thing. Cool thing about this is you can also still edit your circles. So double click, click again, and you can make the front bigger or smaller, which is really cool. You can move things around because it's still a path in the end. I want to make this side really fat, kind of like this. Cool. I'm gonna grab my direct selection tool and just lower this a little bit. Okay. Once you're happy with how your blend is looking, you can go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Roughen. Now, depending on the computer, your computer might take a while to load this effect, but it's not that crazy. I'm gonna select Absolute. You can play around with the size of the hairs and make sure to add a bunch of detail so that you get like really thin hair. And then fix the sizing and press OK, and that's it. You got your hairy, weird looking shape. Now, mind you, you can like write your text, write your name in cursive, and it'll turn out really cool. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.